Let's talk about one of the most powerful tools you have as a content creator, your video title. Yes, titling is very important, just as important as the video is. So when someone searches on the YouTube homepage, searches, scrolls, does your title catches the person's attention? Is it kind of appealing? That's one question we'll ask. Is the title strong? Is it a title that people can easily ignore? That's another question. And you have to know that your titling affects your ranking or your views. Very important. So the YouTube algorithm is smart and it relies on text-based information. That's one thing you should note. And also, you should know that titling creates a very big role in this. So the title tells the viewer what your video is about. Welcome to my channel. This is Learn with Peter. I created a video on how to get more subscribers, more views and more watchers. And I'd like you to go watch that video. It's being displayed on the screen. Right, so a great title improves your click-through rate. When you notice your click-through rate is low, check your title. So these are pointers to check out for. As well, you also know that YouTube is a professional platform when people come to search for solution. So you have to create a title that brings a solution to a particular subject matter or something that is being spoken about. One question you should now ask yourself is this: will someone type on YouTube and my video will be found based on my titling? That's a very good question. For example, when I type how to get views on YouTube with no subscribers, I think that should be something that could make somebody curious, like how possible is it to get views on YouTube with no subscribers? So the person definitely will want to click and really watch to know, to really know how this is possible. Right. Then also you will notice the YouTube autocomplete. The YouTube autocomplete. The YouTube autocomplete, when I'm trying to search for something on YouTube now, and I type or put in a particular keyword, you see YouTube autocomplete will complete it. As you can see in this screen record. So it will complete it. Are you getting it? As in other words, when your title now falls within this, it becomes searchable and becomes high ranking. And what YouTube does is this: they will display a number of titles and videos that is highly ranked, and if you properly optimize, your video falls into that. I started my new channel, and though my first channel was just like experiment, I started following these rules and I discovered that wow, so these things actually work. When I started optimizing my title, it's just a channel that my activity is just less than a week, but just go through, skate through, less than a week, but see how my views are pushing, see how my watch hours are accumulating. Sincerely, I was like, wow, I said this is something I really need to tell others about. So you also have to know that when creating a title, you have to add emotion. The thing should be able to catch someone's attention. Your title, you should be able to catch someone's attention. In other words, the title should be emotionally engaging. Like, I could give you like a boring title and a title that is emotionally engaging. Like a boring title, when I say tips to get views on YouTube, just a generalized title. Now somebody may not even click on my video. But if I say no subscribers, here's how to get views fast on YouTube. In other words, I'm appealing to newbies or even people who may be intermediate users of the YouTube app. Like they don't have subscribers, but yet I'm trying to tell them that it is possible for you to get subscribers by following the method I want to talk about. So the person will have no choice than to go and watch that video. Did you get that? Alright, so that's another thing. Another thing, you also have to study top ranking titles. In the process of creating your title, you have to study top ranking titles. Most times when I see when some of these big YouTubers post videos, I always click to check their description, to check their hashtagging, to check what they did. I was like, wow, so this is how this person got these views. This is how this video was highly ranked. So I study these metrics and then I go and copy and exemplify. Do you get it? Alright. So and you also know that title is more than just a text. It is the first impression the viewer gets to actually know if they will press further. Just like they said, the taste of the pudding is in the eating. Are you getting it? The moment I taste a food now, that first taste determines if I will eat more. But if the first taste is not really appealing or the food is not decently prepared, I like me now that no matter how fanciful or decent that food is looking, if I don't want to eat, I won't eat. But when the food is presentable, you see those aromas, fragrances, definitely you salivate and you would want to eat. That's how titles work. Alright, so I would like to display a screen record to show you a practical on how these things work, on how they work. So you're going to see it in my screen record. Alright, so let's go straight to the screen record now so that you properly understand this theoretical approach I just mentioned practically now using my screen record. Alright, let's go there now. Before now, I created this video, as this video you are seeing on the screen now. And in that video, I said I'm going to show you practical steps, to what I discussed in this video, which you are seeing. I'd like you to go to this video and check this video out. So this is the video in response to what I just said now. Thank you. Alright, welcome to the screen record where I'm going to show you exactly how to optimize your YouTube titles so that you can start getting more views, more clicks, and eventually rank high on YouTube. This is a step most creators ignore. But trust me, your title can make or break your video. Let's jump into it. As you can see in this video, I want to make use of the search. I'm going to head over onto the search, which is our search button, which is appearing at the top right hand corner. Our search. Alright, so I just refresh the screen so that you see it properly. So I've tapped on the search, actually you can see it. Alright, so I will now type in how to get views on YouTube. So this is my keypad. I'll type it in, how to get views on YouTube. Now watch what happens. YouTube gives you suggestions. These suggestions are based on what people are already searching for. Are you getting it? So these suggestions are valuable keywords. I would like you to take note of them. And you will want to structure your title using one or two of the phrases because they already have demand. So you can see vidIQ is ranking number 1. So don't just use fancy or creative titles. You should use what? Searchable titles that your audience is actually typing. You can see I'm trying to check other creators. It said the new way to get views as a small channel. Like these are shorts that people create in that line too. So vidIQ is okay. So it say how to upload YouTube videos to get more views. Can you see this? All right. So these things are actually working. They are ranking high. All right. So next thing is that I'll click on few of those suggested phrases and look at the top ranking videos. Pay attention to these particular titles. Are they using numbers like 2025 or 3 tips? That's called title formatting. You know, when you see most of them do this, and this thing matters a lot. So you are not copying this title, like this is vidIQ now. It says you are learning how these titles are what? Constructed. So you can model yours the right way. Like it said, the new way to get views as a small channel in 2024. In other words, there may be existing ways, but this is just like a new approach. Definitely, anybody that sees something new, we want to actually watch and I see, wow, so that means there are discoveries, there are new things in this line, and the person will want to what? Follow suit. And you know, you could also go ahead and use these apps like vidIQ, TubeBuddy. You know, just type in the idea, your title idea, which you want to bring to limelight. As you can see, I'm trying to open in my vidIQ now, and then I will go to that place, that option that says generate. So they will craft titles for me that is in line with YouTube requirements, and titles that are also searchable. I get it. So I want to type in the title now, which is how to get views on YouTube, and vidIQ app also how to get views. So it will give me the idea that is searchable, and to tell me the possibility of that title working in terms of percentage. I've had some who give me title that are up to 95%. Definitely, there's no how I'm going to use this keyword scores or title now, and I won't rank high. So you know, this it will pick our search volume, check our competitions, and even suggest better titles. You know, are you getting it? So it will suggest better titles for me. I think it's about to generate one now. Okay, let's watch to see what it generates. So you can see what it gave me. Get views on YouTube fast. Alright, get views on YouTube fast. So what I initially typed was how to get views on YouTube. So, and the working percent is about 45%. Are you getting it? 45%. Alright, so this is just one quick way. You know, alternatively, I could also go and use my Meta AI app. That's Meta AI app. And I will just tell Meta AI, like you can see in this text, I said, hello Meta AI. Comma. I say, please help me optimize this title for my YouTube video. And you could add that to yours. Are you getting it? As you can see me type on the screen. It's in landscape because I really want you to see it, for it to be glaring. Understand? Help to optimize this title for my YouTube video. Good. I click on done. And I'll wait for it to display the results. I'm putting the colon. So this is the title I want it to optimize. How to get views on YouTube. So I then send. Can you see it? Alright, so it say hello. Can see it's loading. It say here are some optimized titles for your video. First one is boost YouTube views, proven strategies to increase visibility. Next is get more views on YouTube, top tips and tricks. Can you see this? Alright, so these things they work. Alternatively, I could also go to ChatGPT and also try crafting ads. Damosa. Alright, so on ChatGPT, I give ChatGPT the same command. So I give it the same command, and you see the result it will also display. So these are proven apps. Like ChatGPT is one of my best friends, companions I chat with. I tell ChatGPT anything, and ChatGPT often gives me proven solutions, including that of my YouTube video ideas. So I'm giving it the same command, and let's see the results. So you could see it has crafted as 7 optimizable titles. 7. It gave me a whole 7. So from this 7, I can still tell ChatGPT to give me the best, and it will indicate and say that this is the best. And then I can copy that one and use that particular title. So this is how title optimization works. Very, very important. So the first is how to get more views on YouTube. Next is struggling to get views. Try this on YouTube. Next is how I got 10k views on YouTube in 7 days. No ads, no tricks. You've seen the step-by-step approach for optimizing your videos. Now always use YouTube search to get keyword inspiration as one point. Then as well, look at how those top videos format their videos. Follow and copy this style. Then always learn to combine keywords and emotion. That's what we call an attention grabber or a hook. Yes, very, very important. Additionally, you could also explore apps like TubeBuddy, vidIQ. Alright, so I think they should pay me for advert. Thank you for watching. This is Learn with Peter. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video.